The trial of a 51-year-old man accused of gunning down several relatives in a village near Malamulele in Limpopo on Christmas Day is today expected to resume in the High Court in Thohoyandou. Enoch Ndou was referred for a physiological assessment to determine his fitness to stand trial. Ndou is accused of killing 7 family members following an alleged dispute in the Jimmy Jones village 2 years ago. For more on this story, let's bring in SABC News reporter Phimani Baloyi live in Thohoyandou. Phimani, good morning to you. I think let's go back to the incident on that Christmas Day and just remind viewers of what we know happened.
Good morning, Naledi, and good morning to our viewers. Indeed, this goes back to 25 December 2022, where Mr. Enoch Ndou allegedly shot and killed his brother's 2 sons and the wife of one of them, who at the time we are told was heavily pregnant, alongside 5 children who were also shot and killed. 4 children, Naledi, were also shot and killed. But there was one child who was also sleeping in that household who was not harmed at all. It appears that Mr. Ndou could have thought he had also shot and killed him and left him there. So what actually happened at that time, Naledi, we were told that Mr. Ndou, who is an ICU nurse at a hospital in the northwest, had returned home for the festive season. And when he got home, he told them that, if a certain a nephew of mine comes to the homestead, I am going to kill him. And then in the evening, he went in and found these people sleeping and shot and killed them. This is a crime that shocked society. Now, lady, people, like when we went to the lower court and Mr. Ndou was applying for bail, which was denied, there was a lot of community members who went in who said he should not be given bail. So right now, there was a psychological assessment that was conducted on him. About 4 weeks ago, Mr. Ndou came to this court and argued that because he had previously been diagnosed with bipolar mood disorder, he feels he should be assessed whether he is ready to stand this trial or not. And that assessment was granted, where he went to the Higher Psychiatric Hospital where he was assessed. So today is that day where we expect a report from that institution to be brought into court. We don't know what the content of that report would be at this point, Nadedi, but what we do know is that the state at the time when the application was being debated in this courtroom, the state argued that they would be taking a leave from the court, from the criminal, the act, and insisting that 2 more psychiatrists be brought in to do that assessment instead of 1 as prescribed by the law. So right now we expect a report that has been written by 3 psychiatrists into his state of mind and to determine whether he is fit to stand trial. So right now we expect Mr. Ndou to be brought in at any point now. You can see the court gallery starting to fill up. Some of the people that are already here, Naledi, are not specifically here for the Ndou trial, but that sitting is expected to start soon.